Hacking. It's a word that sends shivers down your spine, right? It evokes images of shadowy figures in dark rooms furiously typing code. But here's the thing. Hacking is more than just Hollywood fiction. It's a reality, and it's happening all around us. Good hackers, the ethical ones, use their skills to make the digital world safer. They're like digital detectives, sniffing out vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. These digital detectives need the right tools for the job. Imagine a detective trying to solve a crime with nothing but a magnifying glass. They need more than that. Hackers are no different. They need a powerful operating system, a platform that gives them control, flexibility, and a vast arsenal of tools. That platform, my friends, is Linux. Linux is like the Swiss Army knife of operating systems. It's open source, meaning the code is freely available to anyone who wants to use it, modify it, or even distribute their own versions of it. This openness has fostered a vibrant and active community of developers who are constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This makes Linux incredibly versatile and adaptable, perfect for the ever-changing world of cybersecurity. Why do hackers love Linux? Let me explain. Imagine you're building a house, but you can only use pre-made walls and windows. That's what it's like using some operating systems. They limit your control and customization. Linux, on the other hand, is like having a blank slate and all the tools you need to build your dream house. You can customize it to your heart's content. You want to change the layout? Go for it. Want to add a secret room? No problem. This level of control is essential for ethical hackers. They need to understand how systems work at their core to find and fix vulnerabilities. Linux allows them to peek under the hood, tinker with the engine, and really get their hands dirty. This deep level of access is simply not possible with other operating systems. But it's not just about control. Linux is also incredibly stable and secure. Remember those pesky blue screens of death that plagued some operating systems? Yeah, you won't see many of those with Linux. It's built from the ground up with security in mind, making it much more resistant to malware and other cyber threats. For ethical hackers, this stability and security are paramount. They need a system they can rely on, a system that won't crash in the middle of a critical operation. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more hacking videos like this. The true power of Linux lies in its open source nature. Imagine a world where the best and brightest minds collaborate freely, sharing their knowledge and expertise to create something truly extraordinary. That's the beauty of open source. Thousands of developers from around the globe contribute to Linux, constantly improving its security, functionality, and performance. This collaborative spirit has resulted in a vast and ever-growing repository of tools specifically designed for ethical hacking. These tools, many of which are free and open source themselves, provide hackers with the means to probe, scan, and analyze systems for vulnerabilities. From network analysis tools like Wireshark to penetration testing frameworks like Metasploit, Linux offers an unparalleled arsenal for ethical hacking. But it's not just about the quantity of tools, it's about the quality. Because these tools are developed and maintained by a passionate community, they are often more innovative, efficient, and up-to-date than their commercial counterparts. This constant evolution ensures that ethical hackers using Linux have access to the latest and greatest tools to combat emerging cyber threats. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on ethical hacking and Linux.